I haven't picked up the Hero 10 in such a long time. 20% battery life. We're going to go distance and see what it sounds like with the DJI Mic 2 transmitter and receiver. All right, I quickly set up. I'm going to do a test. I'm going to go down the block and back, and you should be able to hear the GoPro from where I'm standing. Okay, we're going to go down the block. I apologize for the raindrops. 15, 20 feet, 30, 40 feet. Go real slow, my camera's not set up. And yeah, you hear that car go by. And I don't think I need to prove any further than this. I'm about 150, 200 feet. And I'm gonna turn around. And hey, you see me? Here I am, all the way over here. And there you have it, we're all done. And there's the test. Head on back before these cars just go on down the block and cause any interference. They love to aim for you. I just repaired this bad boy. And yeah, and that completes the test of the DJI Mic 2 and receiver only. I know you want me to put on the DJI mic and this on Bluetooth, and we'll do that right now. All right, we're gonna go out the distance, nice and slow. I apologize for the poor camera angle, and we are riding along the same distance we're gonna go. And yeah, the camera is now out in the distance than me. So my back is towards the back of the camera, always facing it. And here we are, the same distance. I'm gonna, and there we are, a rainy day test. Well, I'm not sure if the camera or not, but I'm gonna come on back and call it a day. Now what I can do is use the recorder and stop it and then restart it. But then I can't see the screen to begin with. And I'm not gonna be that far doing video, but you get the idea of the test. All completed. You decide which cameras work for you, transmitter and receiver, or just transmitter standalone and Action 4. I hope you enjoyed this short test, and thank you.